Hopefully you guys are seeing everything I am doing. Just trying to ensure you're able to see what we're doing in the studio today. Could see everything. All right, I'm trying to hurry up through this so my wax don't making some dessert candles. So basically, whew, I've got a lot of work to do. Just ensuring that we are seeing everything. Hi everybody. Hello. Welcome to the live if you're here. I'm rushing this up so that you all can see this. Yeah. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Doing a lot of work. a lot of work right now. I'm actually making some dessert candles, a lot of products right now. It is an amazing day. So hopefully you folks could see everything that I am doing. I could show you that. I just want to ensure you're seeing me right now. Are you guys seeing me? I'm not sure if you're seeing me. I am not seeing the live. Not sure why. Let's see, YouTube. Okay, it looks like you're seeing me. I just think a platform is not. Okay, let's begin to pipe. So basically, I am going to show you. I'm piping. I've got to pipe these right now. I'm going to show you the consistency and texture. It's already getting hard on me. It's already hard. So basically, this is the candle. This is how the wax is when you're making the dessert candle. All right, you could use any wax. I use coconut, apricot. I use all different kind of wax. You just play with them, play with it until you find what works for you. Okay. Okay, then what you do, you test it to see how your piping is. It's still a little soft. You could wait a little longer. You could wait a little bit longer. You could harden it up, whatever you feel like. This is basically how it is gonna look. If you guys, the thing is, I've been doing so much, I haven't been able to edit tutorials, but this is this, and I have some in the larger jars right here. I've got a big event prepping for. So basically, we begin center. Just put a little layer at the bottom because this is my foundation. So my wax is a bit too soft. So this is the foundation, right? Not anything too fancy. The foundation is basically what you just want to make sure. Okay, it's starting to get really nice, very nice. Okay, let me get some more wax. Once the foundation is good, everything else is fantabulous. I have body butter making as well in the background. I have double. I can't seem to find my jumbo piping bags, so I'm using those mini ones, and it's taking me forever to do these. Okay, So we have our foundation. We need to ensure that the top is wonderful, like a good height. So I'm gonna go here like this, around, until you find the desired height you're looking for. Then you weigh it, okay? When you weigh it, it's going to tell you if you have enough. And then this is where do you see how the bottom has covered really nicely? Okay. And then basically what we're going to do, we're going to take some embeds. I have to actually use my hands because I cannot use the gloves with this. Okay, so you take your embeds and then you just poke it on a side someplace, right? And you could either use sugar sprinkles or candle sprinkles, preferably candle sprinkles when you're making dessert candles, because again, the sugar sprinkles, if you put it too close to the wick, it could potentially cause a fire. Okay, so be very, very careful with that. I'm just gonna put a little bit of sprinkles. I put mine, you see, I just hold it like this and I put it at the like the far edges just to give it a little bit of glam, right? Far edges, not close to the wick, far edges. Okay, that's basically what you do. And then you can actually put this in the packaging right now or leave it overnight and then the next morning package them. I'm just showing you how I'm packaging this one. I've got another packaging like regular cupcake. Let me show you. I have a lot of holiday packaging. You could just take one of these. Let me see, anyone that is had already. And then you could just put it inside of here. And you put a label on it letting everybody know, please get rid of the paper when burning them. So this is basically what we're doing. I've got quite a few to make. I'm going to make some chocolate ones. This cannot fit inside there. This is for those that are going to be outside because people like to smell. Some of them, they're going to be covered. And you trim your wick and you put your at the top. So basically, when I close it, I put my little label right here so they know what to do, and the other label at the bottom of the cupcake. So I just wanted to come and show you guys that. And then I will be doing these. I'm going to be putting the bath bomb in these. Okay, so we have the candles and then the bath bomb. Basically, I got this beautiful little cupcake mold. I'm just going to show you how it's going to look. I'm just going to put my bath bomb inside of here like so, and then we are going to package it, wrap it nicely, and put labels on it. Let me show you how the other one looks. I am doing this fast because I've got to go, guys. Where is it? Okay, I have one right here. I did this morning. If you missed it, this morning I did those. So this is basically how it is. I wrapped it up, and then here I put a little holiday label with the ingredients on it. Okay, so you guys could get this idea and use it. Okay, now you're gonna make sure you trim your wicks. Get your scissors, your wick trimmer. With this one, I prefer to use the scissors because I feel the wick trimmer sometimes just, you know, especially as it's not cured enough as yet, I prefer to use the scissors. I cut it up and I package them. Let me get my scissors. I've been making quite a few things. I also have the lotion bars. Oops. So you just take a scissors, make sure you measure, and then a little here, and then you cut. You could always hold these because it's long enough if you're making tea candles or whatever, how they call them. Those of you who do these, you could always hold these for testers. And it's packaged, and at the top, let me give you an example of how the label is gonna look. If I have something round, I'll show you. So basically it's like this, and the label is just gonna fit right here. And that is it. That's basically how it's going to look. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna head over to Instagram. Have a blessed day. Goodbye, everybody.